Hello, today we will guide you through how to return items to Fashion Nova. To get started, open the Fashion Nova app on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet and, if possible, logged into the account you used to place the order. This helps the app quickly find your recent purchases and speeds up the process. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. You should see the profile icon there. It may appear as a person silhouette or be labeled Profile or Me. Tap that icon to access your account area. Inside your profile, locate and tap Help Center. This is where Fashion Nova centralizes support topics and tools, including returns. If you have multiple support options on the screen, take a moment to read the labels so you land in the right place. In the Help Center, select Returns and Refunds. This section guides you through the company's return process and policies, and it typically launches the return request flow or opens a form to contact support about a return. If you see links to FAQs, consider scanning them for eligibility, time windows, and condition requirements so you know what to expect. You'll be prompted to enter your email. Use the same email associated with your order so the system can match your request to the correct purchase. Double check for typos before moving on, because an incorrect email can delay confirmations and shipping instructions. Next, you'll see a message field. Keep your note clear and specific. Briefly include your order number, the item you want to return, and a short reason such as sizing, fit, or defect. If you have multiple items, list each one clearly. Concise details help support route your request correctly and reduce back and forth. When you're ready, tap Continue, then follow the on-screen prompts until you're finished. The app may ask you to select the order, choose the exact item or items, pick a return reason from a list, and review any return fees or credit details based on current policy. You might also be guided to generate a return label or receive drop-off instructions. Before submitting, review everything carefully to make sure quantities, items, and contact details are correct. After submission, watch your email for confirmation and any shipping label or barcode. Keep the item in good condition, include all original tags if required, and package it securely. Save your label and your drop-off receipt until your return is processed. If anything seems unclear at any point, come back to the Help Center from your profile to check status updates or contact support. That's it. You've initiated your Fashion Nova return.